What is up, family? All right. Whew. Put you guys over here. Oops. Looks like, is this wrong? There we go. Looks like it's right. Okay, cool. We're just going to go with that for now. All right. We're in this account right here, and hopefully you guys can see my chat. First, what's up, M3? How you doing, man? What's up, Alan Locks? How you doing, brother? How you doing? Just testing out some stuff right now. All right. Looks like stream health good. Excellent streams health. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, cool. So let me load up the right thing. Actually, do if I move this, I'm just gonna keep this that big. Just still pushing up. All right, there's another thing I want to try, and I basically installed. Actually, before I do that, let me move this around a little bit. Hold on. Oh, not that. Move me down a little bit. This OBS stuff's pretty annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. Put me in that little box. Let's try that. There, a little bit more space. 1 second, let me pause my mic here. All right, here we go. And then now I wanted to try have background stream noise. Let's see. Let's try this. I don't know if that's too loud or what. Actually, hold up. You could hear it, but very low. That might be too. How's that sound? How about me? Am I loud and the music's? Yeah, what's up, Brian? How you doing, buddy? All right, we're gonna set this up. We'll get it going, guys. We'll get it going. All right, I'm gonna lock this actually. Once I get this up. I want to short that so bad. I'm clear. All right, what's up, buddy? Voice is good. Music very low. I can barely hear. Okay. Just trying to get this right. How about that? I'm gonna lock this so I don't keep moving it. There we go. My voice. Am I loud? Like, you guys hear me all right? Oh, for the music. I just have it down, so I'm just gonna see if that's loud enough. That level on the music is pretty good. Okay. We're just gonna keep it there for now. All right. We're just gonna keep it there. Let's get into trading a little bit, all right? Let's see here. I need to make this bigger, so I'm gonna have to move it again. Need to readjust the screen. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Not you. I hate how it keeps... I gotta figure out how to lock certain spots. Alright, let's do this. Annoying. Actually, if I keep this big, like this, I want it like that, so I don't have to keep redoing this. Almost done. Promise, I tried to have this ready to go. I'll keep the times there. Thanks for your patience. There we go. That's probably good. Now I'm gonna lock that sucker. Lock it. Now leave me alone. Okay. Now we're good. How's everybody doing, guys? My gosh. I just realized one more thing. So annoying. I'll keep that showing just so you guys could see. This music's gotta go though. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Stream. Let's try this. Somebody get me a do me a favor and go on YouTube, find me a royalty free some kind of track play in the background, please. I have to freaking start this stream. I can do this stuff for hours. It's driving me insane. All right, here we go. So cool. Let me mark up the hour blocks here. And we are right here. We're up in an hour block. I want to sell. It definitely filled. We caught that bottom yesterday perfectly. Who caught that bottom with us? I mean, gosh dang. We were, jeez, that was nice. That was nice. It just kept going too. I need me some Bob buckets today. Been with whipsawed all over, but finally fought my way back to 196 plus 25. Awesome, bro. Yeah, somebody do me a really awesome favor and get me royalty-free YouTube link so I can play in the background. That'd be awesome, guys. Appreciate you. Also, I see one more thing. It's driving me insane. I gotta just change the size of this by a hair so I could put this right there, or I'm gonna lose my mind. Hate how it snaps into place. Save. That's good enough for now. Instrumental worship. I wouldn't do not instrumental worship, but like maybe like just background, like streaming royalty free stuff. That doesn't sound like we're at a funeral. That'd be awesome. Appreciate you guys. All right, so we're up in a 1 hour block. I tried to come back up here, couldn't get past here. I think we're probably going to be selling here, most likely. All right, we have this low right here to close under. Kind of risky, but if we can get it to close under here and get under this like kind of this trend line, we can maybe take a sell. Something like that. There is a fair value gap above that it might be leaving right here. Grab my link. If it closes back up above this block, we can essentially look for buys. Buy until we can't buy anymore. Still fighting this sickness, guys. This norovirus ain't no freaking joke. Oh my gosh. Like 1 minute you think you're back to normal, and then the next minute you're like all pukey, you know? Yeah, it looks like we might buy out of here, guys. Let me get this ready. It doesn't look like it's gonna close down. 1 minute. We would buy off of that. Stop here. Unless it comes back down here somehow magically. But it looks like we want to buy. So we're going to trade limit. Had that last month went straight into COVID. That was a fun couple of weeks. Yeah. It could be COVID to be fair, but it feels like feels more norovirus symptoms. For 25,680. 680. I mean, it could go down there. I think it wants to go up more than down right now. We just wicked out this. We touched this fair value gap. Mitigated, I should say. Mitigated this fair value gap. There's more reason to go up right now. Would you enter the top of the wick or the top of the block? I'll enter on a close. Right where I have this. See that wick? See how that didn't go lower than here? That said, I'm going to this here. 1 hour high. We'll lock that sucker in place so I don't have to have this background white. Not digging lo-fi. Let's try this. Jeez. I feel like I'm at a funeral again. That's not horrible. Yeah, it is. It's bad. I'm gonna get in. Put it right under this fair value gap. Set my limit order. I'm going heavy on this 300k apex, just so you know. It's getting there, deity. I just slapped it together this, like, over the last hour. I'll make it better. We'll do a limit. Down here. Hopefully it doesn't go down there. Is it your birthday, buddy? Draw down on 300k. I think it's 44,000 or 45. No, 10,000. I don't even know, dude. I just don't plan on going that deep. Apex, let me look. I see what you're saying. So, you're saying red fair value gap. You talking about on a 5-minute? You're talking about, you see, you got to be careful with this. You could say, hey, we closed above a green 15-minute. So you just got to be careful with that. It looks like we closed above it and we inverted it on the 15. You know, if you go down to the 3 minutes, so that's where you got to know your time frames. So we're in a 3-minute baby one right now, but what's stronger, a 3-minute fair value gap or a 5-minute block? A 5-minute block will always be. Usually, I don't want to say the word always. The word always in trading don't go together. Hey, what's the delay? It feels like really slow, or really fast actually. Looked about 5 seconds. 5 seconds maybe. That's pretty good. That's the fastest we've ever had it, I think. So we're between a 3-minute, which tried to invert and it didn't yet, and another 3-minute fair value gap. It can go either way. Yeah, man, I got the what is that? Bandwidth speed test. Look at this. Got the fiber going, I'm streaming with OBS, so I switched streaming platforms because it still wasn't good after the upgrade. And then yeah. Yeah, this is while streaming. This is crazy. Sucker just never goes down either. It's pretty wild. Pretty awesome so far. You used to be able to see your clock on the charts. I know sometimes I have to refresh, get closer to your time. Clock on my charts. A little white bar. Let me get that for you. Well, now I gotta redo it. This isn't your fault. I just didn't realize that wasn't on there. Clock. Oh, that's pretty good. So if I close this, what does that look like? Not good enough. Want to be able to show price. That's pretty good right there. Isn't it? Maybe I'll pull it down some. Nope, that's not good. I'll keep messing with it later. That's better. First trade in 3 weeks. Let's go. TP on this. Let's go. We've seen it rocket real quick. I'm not liking this music at all, guys. Hold on. What's this do? You guys hear it? The background good enough? The audio? You can't hear any music. Hmm. Let's try this. Anything now? I'm gonna leave it right there and see if that's too loud or too quiet. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Actually, I kind of want. Oh, all right, one more fix. Kind of want. Oh, you stop it, dude. I want to permanently lock this stupid thing up here. There's got to be a way to do it. Like I'm in Zelda or something. I hate this music. All right. Or what if I put this? Nah, that'll look bad. Well, I guess I don't need the clock if I already know it's fast. There, that's smart. There we go. I just got smart for a second. That's it. Lock. I mean, I don't really keep them that long, Jimmy. But yeah. I don't sit on them for a month. Very soft, but good for now. Okay. It's not good anyways, to be fair. What I want to play is this superhuman focus gamma, but I don't know if it's I love this kind of stuff right here. Come on, let's rock it up, baby. To the moon, let's take these highs. Let's go. 1 hour high. I just don't know if this is royalty free. It probably isn't. I'm probably going to get in trouble, so I'm going to turn that off. There's that. I'm not a big, like, Apex guy anymore, so I don't know, like, all the stuff. I'm just trying to get it past. Come on, rock it, babe. Let's go. Rock it up. I mean, I'll still trade in Apex, especially on here. I mean, it was just a good deal for 300k. I'm more of a take profit trader. Yeah, mainly take profit trader, top step kind of guy. Speaking of, I gotta load up my top step over here. Actually, I need my freaking... Hold on. Just bought a Tradify. That's awesome, Kevin. Did you buy a pre-funded one, or are you gonna pass it? Lightning funded. What is that? Is that equal a actual past account? Like you're unfunded? That's what I think it is. I actually never traded Tradify. I have a bunch of buddies that do. I'm actually waiting to get my promo code with these people. I don't know why they haven't given it to me yet. Let me see if it's up. Straight to fund, I got you. See, Robert talked about the fair value gap here, and it won't get above it, so we got to blame Robert for this one. What's up, Smitty? We gotta blame Robert. Robert's the one that wanted to do this. Get out of here, phone. Why are you calling? Sorry, everybody's listening to their phone, aren't they? Unbelievable. Build this completely. Yeah, it could be fast. Yeah, I think. I mean, if they want to take these highs, it could be so quick. It could be like just a quick rocket. I mean, that's why I'm willing to hold on to this. So you look on the 15, you have this giant fair value gap that it just closed above right here. So I'm kind of holding on to that. And I put my stop like in a pretty good area, I would think. If it does close below here, we're going to be looking for sells. So. Nah, it's your fault, Robert. No, you got to know when to, like, for me, there's no way this is going down, but it could. Or I wouldn't be in the trade. If I didn't feel that way, I wouldn't be in this trade, you know? This music sucks. What if they got, like, royalty-free fill step? Let me see. All right, rocket time. I feel it. I feel it. It's about to happen. Everybody start blowing up. Push. Let's take these highs. I'm gonna go grab my laptop real fast so I can take this futures forex trade. Actually, 1 sec. Come on, rocket. I was just listening. The wife. It sounds pretty loud. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Stop loss hit. Yeah, my stop is really like a lot farther down. My stop ain't even that big. 24.5. There we go. It's about to happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. How's everybody's day going? You guys doing good? How's your trading in general? Oh my gosh. Robert. I should just move this down. There we go. Let's do that. Looks better. Hope it protects us. I got out too choppy. Yeah, hey man, I agree. If you got to do that, you got to do that. Up roughly 400. Beautiful. Good. Things are good. Mixed bag today. This is my first trade of the day, so. Not good, and I'm about to lose my account again. Man. Well, filled this. I don't love the bearishness of that. But I think it could be a bigger candle going back up, so. Scalped a bit this morning, up about 250 per account. Wasn't very confident trading though. I was up and lost over 600 trying to get it back. Up, that famous word, get it up and get it back. My trading sucks. We're going to fix that, Smitty. 30 days, buddy. I don't know why. I've tried to send you a video like 5 times. It's just not going through. Now it just went through. Nice, Brittany. There we go. That's what we were hoping for. All right, nice EU trade, huh? Gosh, I love my Forex. About to pop in on one right now. This is my Forex. I got a MacBook just for my Forex. Is that sad? Yeah, I just sent you a video, Travis. Tried to send you that earlier. My bad. Kept like stopping. I'm gonna send you the first step of the one-on-one. Since I'm just chilling. Oh, shoot. Let's get that. Let's get that rocket, fam. Weakened it. We need to get above that fair value gap right here. We get above this on the 3, we are good. Oh, you're good, buddy. Guys, do me a favor, tap that like button and make sure to say what's up in the chat if you haven't yet. Gets me some more viewers, that'd be awesome. I don't try hard enough, probably. To be fair. What is the sun? That's a 5 minute. We put under 50% of this range. That up there. There we go. Telling you, because of this 15-minute fair value got closed, it inverted that giant thing. I just feel like it should just take out these highs now. Like I'm leveraged in on this. I feel like that's like, you know, the staple gun, stapling it up. Like it should just fling up. But I mean, I'm seeing these candles. They don't look too amazing. It's very choppy right now. The big talking head. Sheesh. Now, all right, let's play the other side of this, right? If it can close below... Get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this too. Don't need this here. I'll keep it there just so you can see the fair value gap. I was hoping it had enough of it. If it can close below here on the 5, then I would start looking for potential sells. It tried twice, couldn't. We're hanging by this 15-minute inverted fair value gap. Good to see you. Hey, thank you, Valerie. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Oh, come on. We're going for it again, huh? Playing in the chop. All right, so if it DCAs me, watch my entry move down. Ready? Watch this move down. All right, move down. If it comes back up here and if it's within negative 300, because I'm on 150k, no, I'm on if negative 600 or under, I'm getting out. If it gives me the opportunity, it might just smash down right now. I don't know, but about 80% of the time it holds, and we can get out one time. So what I would do, get out at break even, wait for it to close back up, and then get in. But if it gives us the opportunity, it could just go right now and take us out, and that's okay. If it closes under this white line, I'm going to start looking for sells. So either way, just get ready. In fact, I'll put this down here so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm on Apex, so I don't want to profit now if it does come back up. I want to just lose a little bit. Don't know if it's going to. This might like, I mean, we're almost at 2 o'clock. We might get a little like just smash down right now. I don't know. I'm long right now, yeah. For a few reasons. Temporarily long, I should say. We scalp in here mainly. So if it closes under here, I'm short. Which is in 27 seconds. Not looking good. Ah. One last try. We just liquidated this. Is that all it needed? We're in a fair value gap right now. It did close under here. Let's see if we can pull back, get us out of break even, but then we'd be looking for a sell. Potentially. Cloud flip? Don't tell me that right now. Did we hit yellow VWAP above? I'm sure we did. Just saw cloud flip right here. That sucks. That's our main move. All right, let me get out of here. Okay, no problem. So our main move is usually this right here. On Pulse X. We would already be at a 1 to 1.13. You just now gonna tell me a cloud flip? Just playing, man. All right, let's look back out here. Okay. We got to lose some guys. We're at about 80% win rate, so got to lose some of them. Now here's what matters, what you do now. Don't just get in and be like, oh, I knew it was going to happen, and then you freaking start going crazy and lose your account. You know, that's where I see most people start failing. They freak out over a trade, or maybe they they put too much on it. And then they want to like blame everybody but themselves, you know? Really, in reality, all right, look, I'll give you an example. My son, he risks like $100 a trade, maybe 200. And he gets multiple $1,000 payouts from Top Step. Ugh. What is this? You can stop talking. That's what you can do. All right, yeah, we're looking for sells now. Perfect. So this is good. So if we could look for sells now, and by the way, Paul Sachs freaking did it again. Drive me crazy. I didn't know that was a cloud flip right there. I would have freaking taken this. Dang. Already a 1 to 2. I know Mark took that. What's up, Ehab? How you doing? I still don't like how this closed above that 15-minute fair value gap. We inverted the heck out of it. Break plus retrace, right? Of course you are. I'm still not 100% sold on sells. Like, here's the 15-minute low that it needs to get to. I'm just kind of like back and forth. It's been so choppy. But I'll temporarily sell. I already missed my freaking Pulse X trade. Mark, I need to make you my designated, like, Pulse X flipper guy. Like, whenever you see the cloud flip, like, before it happens. That might be all it needed. Ah, okay. Well, I'm not blaming you or anything. It's just you always see it. Get out of here. Right. Probably should do that, huh? I get it on there. Let me just do it. Right click. Add alert. How do I do it? Pulse X. There we go. No. You used to be able to do it. Oh, wow. We are just pushing up with a vengeance. At the gym watching. What's up, Michael? Man, good to see you. How's your back, bro? Yeah, I'm waiting for the retrace for sure. Made that money this morning. Let's go, Michael. Let's see. If only you could set an alert. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that retrace. Oh, boy. This is what I mean. I'm just not 100% sold on the sell, but I want to sell. Hold on. We inverted this fair value gap. If I can get up to here, maybe I'll sell off. But I'm just remember, I'm not 100% sold on this. Oh, man. All right. We'll get in if it closes below here. How about that? Use a bigger stop. Just say, suck it. Probably enter if it closes right here. It's kind of risky because we're at the bottom of this 15-minute block. I'd rather it come up here, personally. Yeah, get up there. Get up here. Or that could be a good trade. If it decides to be the top, it could be really good. Yeah, don't do it. 691, right? Leaving to go start watching my first video 30 days. See ya. All right, buddy. Good to see you, bud. At the gym watching. You know what I've been loving doing? I've been walking. I'll take like my iPad. I got a new. I'll like go to the gym instead of walking outside every time. Like I'll put this on my back or on my hand, and then I walk like 3 miles an hour as I'm like chilling. Get more work done, so I don't feel like I'm like wasting my life. But I was walking like 2 hours a day outside, and I'm like, yeah, it's cool to get sun and all, but at the same rate, it's like I got stuff I got to do. Let's look for a reason to get in now. I think the sell could be big if, again, my only issue with it. Ugh, it still could go either way. I'm just going to be honest. Like, I'm still. I mean, look how it just pushed off that 15-minute block. And I'm still, remember I put this up here right here? The fact that it closed above this 15-minute fair value gap means so much to me. Scary, really. But we're going to sell because we have our rules, right? And we have a... Hopefully this stays a fair value gap there that we can invert, maybe? With some reason to enter. Then we could use a smaller stop. It's about good. All right, cool. So if it inverts this, if it closes below here, I'm going to give it a shot. I may not hold it forever, but it's only a 14-pointer. Only if it closes down here. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go live on my Zoom. If you're not a part of our members only, it's at solomantrading.com right there. $97 a month. I'm going to go ahead and make the Zoom link real quick. Oh, we go live another 2 hours. Paul. McCobra, what's up, man? What I'd like to see happen is it comes down and wicks the 15, and then we can look for an inverted backup. So like we could ride it down, comes down here, wicks, then ride it back up. I still want these highs really bad. Ugh. Or it closes back up here and we look for a pullback and back up. So either way, it's right there. Something's about to happen. All right, we're in the block. No other fair value gap or anything. All right, I'm putting in the link, guys, right now. Don't worry about the time that it says. All right, it just automatically puts it to the next hour. Numbers only live. Oh, I'll hold off to enter. If this closes below here, I'm going to enter with you guys on the free while I set this up. If I could start it at the same time.
Recording in progress.
Didn't know I could do that. All right, if it closes down here, I'm in. I guess I'm on my Zoom at the same time. I know I could do that. Cool. Wait and see if we can get below here. It's kind of creepy. No, didn't want to get below it. See why we wait? If it gets above here, we're going to be waiting for pullback, look for buys. Again, if it comes down here, I'm getting in. All right, guys, I'm going to jump over to my members only live. This is SolomonTrading.com. If you want to be a part of that, you get my indicator plus the community plus training plus 2 hours more live per day plus 36 live sessions per month. All right, guys, God bless. Have an amazing rest of the day. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe notification bell. Love to see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless. Take care. Beckett out. Peace.